In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge bad image error quickly and easily. This is a frustrating issue that can stop Edge from opening properly, but the good news is that there are a couple of simple fixes you can try right now. We'll go step by step so you can get Microsoft Edge working again without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Control Panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by typing Control Panel into the search bar and opening it from the results. Once Control Panel is open, go to the section where you can manage installed programs. Depending on your system, this may be called Programs and Features or Uninstall a Program. Here, look for Microsoft Edge in the list of installed software. Right-click Microsoft Edge or select it if needed, then choose the option to change or repair Microsoft Edge if that option appears. This can help restore damaged files that may be causing the bad image error. If Windows gives you the option to repair, continue with that process and let it complete fully. After that, restart your computer and try opening Microsoft Edge again. If the error is still showing up, don't worry because we have another important fix to try. Next, press the Windows key and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the next command needs elevated permissions. When the command prompt window opens, type sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command stands for System File Checker, and it scans your Windows system files for corruption or damage. Let the scan run all the way through, even if it takes a few minutes. If Windows finds any corrupted files, it will automatically try to repair them. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer one more time. After the restart, open Microsoft Edge again and check whether the bad image error is gone. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix the issue and get Edge working normally again. If the problem still continues, you may need to reinstall Microsoft Edge or run additional Windows updates. But for most users, the Control Panel repair and the sfc/scannow command solve it. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.